In this video, we will show you how to install Windows 11 without Microsoft account. Usually, when you install the Windows 11, there are steps that you need to input your Microsoft account. Actually, with some method, you can bypass this step. So, you don't need to have your Microsoft account or to input them. How to do that? First, you need to prepare your Windows 11 for the ISO files. Okay, this is my Windows 11 for ISO files. And the second, you need to use USB to install Windows 11. In here, I'm use my USB. Okay, for the size approximately 14 gigabytes. After you prepare these two requirements, okay, the next step is you need to download the Rufus. You can open rufus.ea. Okay, you can see there. Okay, this is the interface of Rufus. You can download the latest release. This is for installer and this is for portable. Let's just download the portable version. Okay, let's put on our desktop. Okay, after that, see the Rufus is in here. Okay, I will not start automatically. I'm sorry, this is my Rufus. You can double click on your Rufus. Okay, this is portable version. We'll create it some folder and the some.ini files. Okay, this device is my USB. You can see here the WD is my USB. Okay, this is just empty USB. You can using any USB in here. And for the ISO files, we need to select our ISO. Okay, this is our ISO. Okay, Windows 11 ISO that we put on the desktop. We can click open in here. Okay, for the partition scheme, you can using GPT for newer device or MBR for older device. Usually, Windows 11 require the newer device, so GPT is more suitable in here. For target system is UEFI. And how to remove or how to bypass Microsoft account in here, you can click start to start Rufus to create bootable device for your USB to use as installer for USB and click start. Okay, you can see there is customized Windows installation. For just remove requirement for online Microsoft account, you need just tick this and don't tick for remove requirement for this. But also if you want to remove the requirement for 4 gigabytes RAM, secure boot and TPM, you can also tick this. But we need just bypass Microsoft account in here. Just click OK. Now we can click OK in here. Okay, just wait until this process is 100 done, and then you can use your USB to install the Windows 11 without Microsoft account. Hope this video helpful for you.